Okay, so this video helps you guys find the area of an octagon, and I'm not going to draw it because it'll take me forever, but it has a side length of 6 inches, and so we know that finding the area of an octagon means splitting it up into 8 equal triangles that meet in the middle. Okay, so those triangles we know have a side length of 6. We also know the central angle, and you can find that by doing 360 degrees, like all the way around, split into 8 equal parts, and that's 45 degrees. So we know that this is 45, and if we wanted to find the area of that triangle, we would need to do base times height. So in order to find the height, we have to do some trig. And in order to use trig, we have to have a right triangle. So I'm going to drop the height and create a right triangle right there. And I'm going to redraw it over here so it's easier for you guys to see. So this right triangle has a degree measure not of 45, but of 45 divided by 2, which is 22.5 degrees. And it has a base not of 6, but of 3, because we cut it in half. So if I want to find the height, because that's what helps me find the area of a triangle, I'm actually going to use the trig function tangent, because I have the opposite side and I have the adjacent side to my angle measure. So tan of 22.5 degrees equals opposite over adjacent, so 3 over h. And in order to solve that, you guys would multiply both sides by h and then divide both sides by tan of 22.5. So really the math is 3 divided by tan of 22.5. And remember, that's just a number that you get by plugging into the calculator. And so when you plug that into the calculator, you find out that the height of one of those 8 triangles that makes up your octagon is about 7.24. We know the base of one of those 8 triangles that makes up your octagon is 6 because they told us. So the area of one of those 8 triangles would be 6 times 7.24 divided by 2, because that's how you find the area of a triangle. So that's about 21.7. So if that's the area of one of the triangles, in order to find the area of the entire octagon, I would take one of those triangles and multiply it by 8, because there are 8 total triangles in the octagon. And you're going to get an answer of about 173.82 inches squared.